Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Sri Lankan style prawns curry. So the pan is well heated now. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then I'm going to add some chopped ginger and garlic. Then I'm going to add a sliced half an onion. Then I will add 2 green chilies. Then some curry leaves. So give it all a good mix. Then I'm going to add few cinnamon sticks. Then add few fenugreek seeds. So let's mix it all well. So when the ingredients are fried, I'm going to add a half a chopped tomato. So now I'm going to add nearly 1.5 teaspoon of unroasted curry powder, half a teaspoon of crushed pepper, and 2 teaspoon of chili powder. You can always add chili according to the spiciness that you prefer. And I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And finally I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. You can always add salt to your taste. So let's give it all a good mix. And I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of water. So then finally I'm going to add the main ingredient. I have taken here 500 grams of prawns. So I will close this with a lid and I will get this cooked for nearly 3 to 4 minutes. So this is after 4 minutes. You can see my shrimps are half cooked. The flame is on medium heat. I will get this cooked to another nearly 3 minutes. So this is after 7 minutes. So now my shrimps are cooked. I'm going to add coconut milk. You can always add coconut milk according to the gravy that you prefer to have. I'm adding nearly 1 cup. So as you can see here, the coconut milk has come to a boil now. You can taste the salt at this time. If you need more, you can add. So I'm going to add the final ingredient to the dish. It's drumstick leaves. It will help reducing the heatiness of the shrimps. So my prawns curry is now ready. I have turned off the flame. So this is the prawns curry that I prepared today. I hope you like it. So please try it when you have all the ingredients at home, and also share this recipe with your friends who doesn't have access to the internet. So let's meet again with another delicious recipe. Thank you for watching.